You just bought your dream car. The paint still gleams, the cabin smells fresh, and the engine purrs like a promise. But what if I told you that most new car owners unknowingly start destroying their vehicles from day one? Not with reckless driving, not with accidents, but with small, silent mistakes. Habits that feel harmless, but slowly eat away at your car's health, value, and safety. Today, we're exposing the 15 deadly mistakes that ruin brand new cars. These aren't myths, they're real, backed by mechanics, engineers, and thousands of regretful owners who wish they'd known sooner. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, ignoring the break-in period. Most people think a new car is ready to roar the moment it leaves the showroom, but here's the truth. Every engine needs a break-in period. It's like stretching before a marathon. Skip it and you risk long-term damage. During the first 1,000 kilometers, or about 600 miles, your engine parts are still settling in. Pistons, rings, valves, they're all adjusting to each other. If you push the car too hard, rev too high, or drive aggressively, you can cause premature wear. That means lower fuel efficiency, more oil consumption, and even engine failure down the line. Manufacturers often include break-in guidelines in the manual, but let's be honest, how many people actually read it? That's why this mistake is so common and so costly. Mistake number 2, skipping the first oil change. Here's a dirty little secret. The first oil change is the most important one your car will ever have. Why? Because during the break-in period, tiny metal particles from the engine get mixed into the oil. It's normal, but if you don't flush them out early, usually around 1,000 to 1,500 kilometers, they keep circulating, grinding against your engine's internals like sandpaper. Some manufacturers claim modern engines don't need early oil changes, but many mechanics disagree. They've seen engines with premature wear, clogged filters, and even oil starvation, all because the first oil change was skipped or delayed. Think of it like brushing your teeth after eating candy. You wouldn't wait a month, right? Mistake number 3, trusting the infotainment system. Too much modern cars are packed with tech, touchscreens, cameras, sensors, apps. It's impressive, but it's also a trap. Many new owners rely too heavily on these systems, assuming they'll always work perfectly. But infotainment glitches are one of the most common complaints in new vehicles today. From frozen screens to inaccurate GPS, these issues can distract drivers or even cause accidents. And here's the kicker. Some systems drain your battery even when the car is off. If you leave your car parked for days with the system running in the background, you might come back to a dead battery. So yes, enjoy the tech, but don't let it replace your instincts. Always double check, always stay alert. Mistake number 4, letting it sit too long. You'd think parking your car safely in the garage is the best way to protect it, but if it sits too long, especially without regular starts, it starts to rot. Mechanics call it lot rot. It's what happens when cars sit unused for weeks or months. Tires develop flat spots, batteries drain, fluids settle and separate, rust creeps into the brakes and suspension. Even brand new cars are vulnerable. In fact, many showroom vehicles already suffer from lot rot before they're sold, especially if they've been sitting in outdoor lots exposed to rain, dust, and heat. If you're not driving your car regularly, at least start it once a week. Let it idle for a few minutes. Move it around. Keep the fluids circulating and the battery alive. Mistake number 5, using cheap fuel or wrong octane. This one's sneaky. You see a cheaper fuel option and think, why not save a few bucks? But using the wrong octane rating can quietly destroy your engine. High performance engines are tuned for premium fuel. If you feed them regular, they can knock, literally. Engine knocking is when fuel combusts unevenly, causing shockwaves that damage pistons and valves. Even if your car runs on regular fuel, cheap gas from questionable stations can contain impurities. That leads to clogged injectors, dirty valves, and poor mileage. Always check your manual, stick to the recommended octane, and choose trusted fuel stations. Your engine will thank you. Mistake number 6, neglecting tire pressure and alignment. Tires are like your car's shoes. If they're worn, uneven, or underinflated, everything suffers. Handling, fuel economy, safety. Yet most new owners forget to check tire pressure. They assume the dealership did it, but tires lose air naturally, especially in temperature changes. Driving with low pressure increases wear, reduces grip, and even risks a blowout. Alignment is another silent killer. If your steering feels off, off or the car pulls to one side, your wheels might be misaligned. That causes uneven tire wear and strains your suspension. A quick monthly check can save you thousands and possibly your life. Mistake number 7, blindly trusting the warranty. Here's the harsh truth. Your warranty won't save you from neglect. Many owners think if something breaks, the warranty will cover it. But warranties have conditions. If you skip scheduled maintenance, use the wrong fluids, or ignore warning lights, your claim can be denied. Even worse, some issues like transmission failures or electrical glitches aren't fully covered, especially if they're caused by misuse. So don't treat your warranty like a safety net. Treat your car like it's out of warranty from day one. That mindset will keep you proactive, careful, and informed. Mistake number 8, believing new means perfect. There's a dangerous assumption many new car owners make. It's brand new, so it must be flawless. But even fresh off the lot, cars can have issues. Manufacturing defects, software bugs, misaligned panels, underinflated tires, or even transport damage. Dealerships don't always catch these, and owners rarely inspect their vehicles thoroughly before driving off. This blind trust leads to delayed discoveries, rattling noises, uneven wear, electrical glitches. By the time you notice, it might be too late to prove it was a delivery issue. The smarter move: treat your new car like a used one for the first week. Inspect everything. Listen closely. Document anything odd. It's not paranoia, it's protection. Mistake number 9, overloading the car too soon. You just got your new SUV, and the first thing you do is pack it for a road trip. Sounds harmless, right? But overloading a new car, especially during its break-in period, can strain the suspension, brakes, and drivetrain before they've had a chance to settle. It's like lifting heavy weights without warming up. Even worse, many owners don't realize they've exceeded the payload limit. Roof racks, trailers, and trunk cargo add up fast, and if the weight isn't distributed properly, it can throw off handling and wear out tires unevenly. Your car is strong, but it's not invincible. Respect its limits, especially in the beginning. Mistake number 10, using harsh cleaning products. That first wash is emotional. You want your car to shine, but many owners unknowingly use aggressive cleaners, abrasive sponges, or automatic car washes with stiff brushes that scratch the clear coat. New paint is delicate. It needs gentle care. Harsh chemicals strip protective wax. Dirty sponges grind in debris. And automatic washes? They're notorious for micro scratches that dull the finish over time. Instead, use pH-balanced soap, microfiber cloths, and the 2-bucket method. It takes longer, but it preserves that showroom glow and your resale value. Mistake number 11, ignoring software updates. Modern cars are rolling computers. From engine management to safety systems, everything runs on code. And like your phone, that code needs updates. But unlike your phone, your car doesn't always update automatically. Some require dealer visits, others need manual downloads, and if you skip them, you risk bugs, glitches, or even safety failures. There have been real cases where outdated software caused braking issues, false warning lights, or malfunctioning airbags. All preventable, so check your manufacturer's website, ask your dealer, stay current, because in today's cars, software is just as important as oil. Mistake number 12, not setting up theft protection. New cars are prime targets for theft, especially popular models with high resale value, yet many owners skip basic security steps, assuming the factory alarm is enough. But thieves today use signal boosters, relay attacks, and key fob cloning. They can steal a car in under 60 seconds without breaking a window. Simple steps make a big difference. Use a steering wheel lock, park in well-lit areas, disable keyless entry when not in use, and if possible, install a GPS tracker. It's not about paranoia, it's about peace of mind, because nothing shatters the joy of a new car like waking up to an empty driveway. Mistake number 13, forgetting to check fluids. Yes, even in a new car. It sounds ridiculous. Why would a brand new car have low fluids? But it happens. Dealerships sometimes miss coolant top-ups. Brake fluid might be borderline. Windshield washer tanks are often empty. And transmission fluid? It's rarely checked unless there's a leak. Ignoring these can lead to overheating, poor braking, or visibility issues. And if you assume everything's fine, you won't notice until something fails. So take 5 minutes, pop the hood, check the levels. It's basic, but it's powerful. Mistake number 14, driving like you're in a race. There's a psychological shift that happens when people get a new car, especially one with power. They want to feel it, test it, show it off. But aggressive driving, hard acceleration, sharp braking, fast cornering puts enormous stress on components that haven't settled yet. Brake pads glaze, tires wear unevenly, suspension bushings stretch prematurely. Even if the car feels fine, the damage is cumulative, and it shows up months later as squeaks, vibrations, or worn out parts. Drive gently for the first few thousand kilometers. Let the car learn you, then, when it's ready, you can push it without punishment. Mistake number 15, not reading the owner's manual. It's boring, it's thick, it's full of jargon, but it's also the most important book you'll never read. The owner's manual isn't just about specs. It tells you how to use features properly, when to service your car, what fluids to use, and how to avoid voiding your warranty. Yet most people toss it in the glove box and never look back. They rely on guesswork, YouTube tutorials, or dealership advice, which isn't always accurate. Reading the manual isn't nerdy, it's smart. It's the difference between owning your car and truly understanding it. Your car isn't just a machine, it's a commitment, a reflection of your habits, your care, your attention to detail. Every mistake we've covered today starts small. A skipped oil change, a forgotten tire check, a few weeks of inactivity, but over time, they snowball into breakdowns, costly repairs, and regret. And regret is the one thing no warranty can fix. So if you've just bought a new car or plan to, remember this: the way you treat it in the first few months sets the tone for its entire life. Be gentle, be smart, be proactive, because nothing feels worse than watching your dream car fall apart, knowing it was preventable. So if this video helped you spot a habit you didn't know was harmful, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this content matters. Subscribe if you want to keep learning how to protect your car, your wallet, and your peace of mind. And drop a comment below. What's one mistake you've made or seen others make with a new car?